Have you ever wondered what's really inside your body? Beyond the cells and systems we learned about in school? The answer might be a little unsettling. We are talking about microplastics. These are tiny plastic particles, less than 5 millimeters long, and scientists are finding them everywhere, including inside of us. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, and now, in human blood, lungs, and even placentas. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality we are just beginning to understand. So, how did they get there? The sources are all around us. Think about the plastic bottle you drink from, the synthetic clothes you wear, or the food packaging that keeps your groceries fresh. When these items break down, they release microscopic plastic fragments. Even car tires shed plastic particles as they wear down on the road. We breathe them in from the air, we ingest them through our food and water, and we absorb them through our skin. These particles are so small and so widespread that avoiding them has become nearly impossible. Let's look at the journey of a single microplastic particle. It might start as a microbead in a face wash, get rinsed down the drain, and slip through water treatment plants. Or it could be a fiber shed from a polyester jacket, carried by the wind. Eventually, it finds its way into the water we drink or the fish we eat. Once inside our bodies, these tiny invaders can travel through our bloodstream and accumulate in our organs. The big question, of course, is what does this mean for our health? Researchers are working hard to figure that out. We know that plastics contain chemical additives, things like plasticizers and flame retardants, which can be toxic. Studies suggest that these chemicals can disrupt our hormones, cause inflammation, and potentially contribute to long-term health issues. The plastics themselves can also act like tiny sponges, soaking up other pollutants from the environment and delivering them directly into our tissues. Imagine your body cells trying to deal with these foreign objects. The immune system might see them as a threat, triggering a constant state of low-grade inflammation. Over time, this chronic inflammation is linked to a host of problems, from heart disease to autoimmune disorders. While the full picture is still emerging, the preliminary evidence is a clear call to action. What can we do? It feels like a massive problem, and it is, but individual actions matter. We can start by reducing our reliance on single-use plastics. Choose reusable water bottles and coffee cups. Opt for natural fibers like cotton or wool instead of synthetics. Be mindful of food packaging and choose fresh, unpackaged options when possible. Supporting companies that are committed to sustainable practices also sends a powerful message. This isn't about creating fear, it's about raising awareness. The more we know, the better we can advocate for change, both in our own lives and at a larger, systemic level. We need better regulations, improved waste management, and innovation in materials to turn the tide on plastic pollution. The health of our planet and our own bodies depends on it. The story of microplastics is still being written, and we all have a role to play in how it ends. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that affects our world. See you next time.